In a world where colors danced, a wise owl spoke to a curious rabbit. Why do we need all these colors? Asked the rabbit. Each color, the owl replied, is a note in nature's symphony. Lose one, and the melody falters. The rabbit pondered, imagining a world without blue skies or green forests. We must protect them, the rabbit declared. Indeed, nodded the owl, for they protect us in return. As the sun set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the rabbit whispered, "Let's keep the symphony alive." Hit the like button to support us.